I'm gonna test out my new Hell's Kitchen cookware, and today I'm gonna make a recipe from season 1, episode 8 of Hell's Kitchen, and that is the herb-crusted rack of lamb. We're gonna go in the pan with a little bit of olive oil, and they say these pans heat up really fast, so we can stay on like a medium to medium-low heat, and it's gonna give us a beautiful sear even though it's not on high. Salt and pepper, both sides of the lamb. So we just want to sear it on both sides really well, and then we'll stick it in the oven and finish cooking. Oh, beautiful sear. And now we're going to go ahead and throw it in a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Okay, we're going to give our lamb a check, and I think we're good. So for the herb crust, it's important that it has a mechanism to help it bond to the meat. So we're going to use Dijon mustard, and you just brush it on. The herb crust is a mixture of panko and thyme and parsley and Parmesan cheese with just a touch of olive oil, and kind of pat it in so it stays in that Dijon mixture. And all those fresh herbs are really going to go well with the lamb. So we're just going to pop that back in the oven until it reaches 145. It should take about 3 minutes until the crust is golden brown. So our lamb is ready. We're going to take it out of the oven. Look at how beautiful that is. Wow. All right, we're just going to let it rest here for a minute. In the meantime, let's get our plate ready for presentation. We have the Hell's Kitchen mashed potato saffron puree. And I'm just going to spread it around the plate just for a nice presentation. Gorgeous lamb chop. Plate that one there. This one here. A little bit of lamb jus that I'm going to put over the top of the lamb. And we'll finish with a sprig of parsley. And there you have it. Hell's Kitchen herb crusted rack of lamb.